Unleash the combined power of artificial intelligence and workflow automation by connecting OpenAI to N8n. First, open your N8n instance and create a new workflow, or open an existing one where you want to integrate OpenAI. Click the Add First Step button to begin building your automated process. Search for and select the OpenAI node from the list of available integrations. This will serve as the bridge between your workflow and OpenAI services. Now, you will need to connect your OpenAI account. You will need to enter your API key. This can be found on the OpenAI platform in the API key section under Account. Click the Credentials option, then choose Create Me. You can name your credentials anything you want, so you can easily find them later. Select the specific OpenAI model you wish to use, such as GPT-3 or others, from the Model drop-down menu, which determines the AI's behavior and capabilities. Populate the input fields with the necessary data, like the text you want the AI to analyze or generate. Tailor the parameters, such as temperature and max tokens, to fine-tune the AI's output. Execute the workflow, and observe the magic happen. The OpenAI node will process your input and generate results based on the configured model and parameters. Now you can use this connection for endless possibilities such as text generation, sentiment analysis, and language translation. Go forth and craft powerful AI-powered workflows with N8n and OpenAI.